I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use our color picker. Load up the CK tools. Right now I have a part in here that just has the factory colors, is yellow all the way across. All you have to do is click on the color picker, and let's say I want my part A to be a nice green string section, and my part B, which is a some other strings. Let's make those blue, and let's go ahead and make our French horns red. So all you do is click on the colors. You can click and change them to your heart's desire very quickly here, all the three parts. And when you're done, you can save your part out or whatever you need to do. Easy to use. Hopefully some of you will find it useful. Thanks.